What's up, everybody? Welcome at the 333 team YouTube channel. And today we're going to make a review of 36 villas at Balcón de Finestrat, Costa Blanca. It has stunning views to Benidorm. It has views to mountains. And it is first line to the green zone that will never be constructed. And this is a pilot house, and I would like to show you how it looks like, because it is done very of high quality. Let's go and check this. So let's check this one-storied house. It has 147 square meters and it is situated on the 420 square meters plot. So it has parking for 2 cars, it has a pool, and it has a backyard to make some garden if you want. So this is a living room with an open island kitchen. The kitchen is very good equipped. You can see this island with natural stone. You can see this place for cooking with natural stone. The equipment is included into the price. Let's go and check the bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom. It's like a guest bedroom. It is not very big with personal wardrobe, but just take a look at this panoramic window. It is with view to the pool. And this is one of my favorite here. Let's check the bathroom. It is shower with toilet and it is for 2 bedrooms. Another bedroom with its own wardrobe also has these big windows, has a view to the pool and has a view to the green zone that I told you, remember. Let's go and check the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a suite. It has very big shower zone here, and it has a big wardrobe here and a wardrobe here, and a bigger place for bed here, and a view to the green zone through this panoramic window. This is a place for 2 parking places. The automated gates for the car are included into the price. That's what I was talking to you about, this green zone, this municipal green zone that will never be constructed. So this pilot house is 147 square meters and it costs 520 euros. But also there are villas 1-storied, 2-storied with underground floors. The one thing that is good here is that in terms of price and quality, this is a very good project, and we welcome you at our 333 channel. We would like to make the best service for you, so subscribe to our channel, follow us, and we can make a video review for you. We can make the best service, so call us or text us to have our service for you. And this is with 0 commission. Welcome.